I remember clearly the first time I saw Star Wars.
Hello there.
It's a surreal world to be a part of. Coming back to it after all these years was very meaningful to me. My first day on set, I shouted, "Obi-Wan!" I saw a hand go up.
I feel hugely fortunate to be able to do this, but also a big responsibility to trying to do it right.
Obi-Wan Kenobi is an iconic character. I don't think I'd imagined the scale of the series.
It blew my mind.
So many people have such an emotional relationship to the Star Wars galaxy. It's in everybody's life.